Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a good day today. I've been wanting to do something in here, then I finally found out something on YouTube. Will I be able to build my very own little cooking oven? And the box is right here, the wrapping paper is right there. These are all the tools you might need to do it. If you don't have them, just go to the store, pause this, and whenever you get back, you can watch it and build if your kid wants it. You might need your coloring box from your school, and you might need this, and you might need a big pair of scissors and a little pair of scissors. You might need 3 pairs of tape, big tape, plastic, and just a tape roll and a small little tape. I'm only doing this kind of glue because I'm just 5 years old and I'm going to kindergarten. I know this looks a little funny, but it's actually my little garbage can that I built. Garbage can. That's what it is. And I already have some bad stuff in there. And if you have a baby sister or baby brother, you might need like 2 tiers to block them off from your project. Now we're just gonna get this sparks. It's important that you close all the flaps like we did, or you can do tapes. Tape. You can put that right there. You can draw however you want. I just want to use this because it helps you stay straight. We're gonna get ready to draw. We're gonna do it like this one. We're drawing the door for the oven. Okay. Now we're gonna do our last side. Okay. The ruler has to have straight lines. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. It's a little small, don't you think? Yeah. Guys, we're gonna make it a little bigger. Mommy did the door right here. This is the inside. You can choose whatever wrapping paper you want. This is the wrapping paper I choose. We're gonna get the glue over here. This is super glue. You gotta be very careful with super glue. Okay, guys, we're gonna roll out this wrapping paper. And right here should be good. Now we're gonna get our oven box. Okay, I'll put it like right there. Okay, I'm gonna do this, guys. Okay, we did some glue. Now it's time to put this up. Kids all around the world love these. Now I'm gonna take the wrapping paper and we're gonna do this. This is the glue we're using. Got super glue. Turn it around. Okay, I need one more. I'm trimming the wrapping paper because it's a little too big on the bottom. Tape. Wally. Okay, all the sides are done. Now I just need to do the top now. We're gonna do my idea that I had. Okay. I need to do this little corner real quick. My last one, guys. And all the sides are wrapped except for the door and the top. Like this. I wanted to make my top white. So now we're gonna just flip it over. Okay. Getting a little bit bigger. Can't always be small. Now we're gonna line it up on the edges. Okay, we did the top white because the bottom of this wrapping paper was white, so we flipped this top over. Okay, now we're gonna flip it so we can glue and then put that on. We're gonna open the door. We're gonna turn these sideways. We're gonna cut that, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna use tape instead of glue. We've been using a lot of glue. In the middle. This tape was the mega tape for the top. And this is done. Okay, well now we're gonna have reinforcement. You might be wondering, where's the handle? Well, we're doing it now. This is the little handle. Now we're gonna glue it on here. My hammer is almost done. I just gotta keep some pressure on it. Next up is the top and the little like button thing we're gonna put right here. Guys, today's a new day. I had to go to my cousin's birthday party. So we added a little bit of like magnet right there. We put some more reinforcements on the sides. That also. We're gonna trace out the stove toppers. Gotta get my paper, move that. Gotta get the bucket. Let's find a nice little bucket to trace with. We're gonna do 2 big stove tops and 2 little stove tops. Okay, perfect. It's all ready. Now we just gotta cut them out. I'm gonna use my little scissors that were bigger with me. Okay, we're gonna cut out the big circle now. Okay, we got this. Gonna get this right here. Gonna get my stove. Maybe I'll do. Yep, that's all I want. Now I have to glue. Okay, we're gonna go make sure we have enough things for knobs. We just need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we just need 4 knobs. Actually, I think I'll add 5 because we need 1 for the oven. So I'll do 1. So I'll do 1 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there, 1 right there. So the middle one is for that, and these two ones are for those, and these two ones are for those. We're gonna go to church, and after church, whenever we get back, we're gonna do the little knobs. Okay, guys, I'm back from church. We got all the bottle caps we need, and I got this little pouch cap that we're gonna put in the middle so it can look cool for that oven. Okay, so I need the super glue and one cap. Okay, guys, all we gotta do is no buttons right here. Yeah, I'm ready for my first button. Yep, we got our first button on. Okay, we're getting our next button. Okay, this is the last one, then we're done. Okay, guys, we're gonna come back and check on it after I get a haircut because the hair is getting in my eyes. And whenever we get back, we can test this out and you can see me cooking on it. Bye.